In this video, I'll show you how to unsync your Google Photos from your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Google Photos app on your phone. Now, if you don't already have this app installed, then you'll need to head over to the App Store and make sure you have Google Photos downloaded. So once you're on the application, you just need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then from here, scroll down and select Google Photo Settings. Then right at the top, you'll see Backup, select this. And in order to stop syncing photos from your iPhone to your Google Photos, you need to make sure that this backup option is turned off like so, and that will stop your camera roll photos being synced over to Google Photos. Now, if you wanted to delete any photos from the Google Photos app, you can do this in the app itself, but you can see if I click the delete button like so, it won't only just delete it from the Google Photos, it will also delete it from my iPhone as well. So if you just want to solely delete this photo from the Google Photos app, then what you need to do is head over to an internet browser and just make sure you're logged in to your Google account. Then from here, click on the square icon in the top right hand side of the screen and then scroll down and select Photos. So now you can go ahead and select the photo, and if you press the trash icon in the top right hand side, you can then click on Move to Trash, and this will delete it from your Google Photos, but it won't affect any of the photos you have saved to your camera roll on your phone. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you unsync Google Photos from your iPhone. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.